yes, I'm back with yet another video for you guys, and this is just going to be a review slash a kind of DIY of Dollar Tree's watch protectors. So anyway, let's get into this video. So I'm going to be reviewing these 3 watch bands. They're 3 different styles, and I'm just going to be blinging them out with these diamonds that I also picked up at Dollar Tree. Now each one of these are different. This one is like, the clear is like a jelly feel, and it actually has a back on it, and the face is pretty much out. The black has like a little gray, and it's rubbery, but it has a little back. It's not as soft as the clear. And then there's this pink, and it's actually hard. It's harder than those, but it doesn't have a back. So I'm glad that I got all 3 colors, because they most definitely are all different. So the first one I'm going to use is this clear one. And like I said, it is like a jelly feeling. It protects more of the back of the watch than the front. And that is a no-no for me. I'll still use it just because, yeah, I paid $1 for it. So I want to get my money's worth. But it's my least favorite. Now it's with the pink one. It just snaps on, and I like the protection that it gives because it's actually covering the screen. Well, the border of the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and bling this one out because I know for sure that I'm gonna use it. Not only is it my favorite color, but it gives the protection that I want at the moment. So now I'm going to go ahead and bling out the clear protector as well. Not sure when I'll be using this one, but I'm going to go ahead and bling it out. I decided not to bling the black one out just because the way it's made, I don't really feel like fighting with the studs to see where I could put them. To be Dollar Tree items, they still turned out pretty decent, and I think the quality is okay besides for the clear one. But this is my finished product. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys later.